Do you want to get rich in the future? Most of you probably answered yes right away. And who wouldn't? Think about it. Fancy cars, big houses, the freedom to do whatever you want. Wealth means you can live life your way without worrying about money. But here's the real question. What are you doing every day to get closer to that goal? If you're not sure, that's where the problem starts. See, getting rich isn't just about dreaming. It's about doing. It's about making smart choices every day that help you reach your money goals. So, what's your plan? It's time to start building the life you want step by step. Let's talk about some things that can pull your attention away, like gaming, watching anime, or scrolling through TikTok. Now, don't get me wrong, I enjoy anime and TikTok just like anyone else. But here's the deal. These activities might seem harmless, but they can seriously hold you back from achieving your goals. Imagine this. You wake up, the sun is shining, and you're ready for another day. But instead of jumping into the day, you end up staring at your screen. Hours pass by like minutes, and you get lost in the newest game or watch one anime episode after another. Sure, it's fun, no denying that. But as the hours go away, so do the opportunities. Think about it. What could you accomplish with all that time? Learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or even starting your own business. The possibilities are endless. Think about it if you used just a bit of that screen time for something useful. Instead of being lost in the game, you could be getting closer to your dreams. Instead of leveling your game character, you would level up in real life. The truth is, the hours you spend in front of the screen are hours you'll never get back. But they could also be the key to unlocking your future success. It's not about giving up what you enjoy. It's about finding a balance. You can still do what you love while also moving closer to your goals. So next time you're deep in the digital world, stop for a moment. Ask yourself, is this how I want to spend my time? Could I be doing something better? Remember, time is your most valuable asset. How you use it can change everything. Alright, let's talk about how to use your time wisely to build a great financial future. First off, planning ahead. Take a moment to think about where you want to be financially in a few years. Do you want to have your own place? Maybe start a business? Or just enjoy your life without worrying about money? Whatever your dream, having a plan is super important. So here's what you do. Set some clear goals using the SMART method. Each letter stands for a word that helps describe your goal. Let's start with S, which stands for specific. This means your goal should be clear and well defined. Instead of saying, I want to save money, try saying, I want to save $500 by not eating out for a new laptop. Being specific helps you understand exactly what you need to do. Next up is measurable. You should be able to track your progress and know when you've achieved your goal. For example, if your goal is to exercise more, you could measure it by saying, I want to exercise for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. This way, you can see your progress and stay motivated. Achievable means your goal should be something you can reach. While becoming a full-time YouTuber overnight might not be achievable, creating a YouTube channel today might be. Setting achievable goals keeps you motivated and helps you stay on the track. Moving on to relevant. Your goal should be important to you and match your other goals. If your long-term goal is to travel the world, saving money for a vacation will be relevant. Relevant goals ensure that what you are working towards really matter to you. Lastly, time-bound. Your goal should have a deadline. Instead of saying, I want to play the guitar someday, set a deadline like, I want to learn to play 3 songs on the guitar by the end of this year. Having a time frame creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. By setting SMART goals, you're setting yourself up for success. You'll know exactly what you want to achieve, how to measure your progress, and when you want to achieve it. This method helps you stay organized, motivated, and on track. As you start achieving your smaller goals, you'll build confidence and momentum, making it easier to tackle bigger goals and ultimately achieve the wealth and success you're aiming for. Now, let's talk about how you can plan for the future and make your time count. Think about what you want to achieve and when you want to achieve it. Maybe it's something big like owning your own house by a certain age, or maybe it's just having money to travel wherever you want. Whatever it is, write it down. Then, break it down into smaller steps and keep breaking those steps down to the smallest actions you can take. For example, if your goal is to make a lot of money, start by thinking about having a business. Then, break that down further to educating yourself about business. Finally, make it super specific, like reading books about money. So right now, grab a piece of paper and a pencil and write down every action that brings you closer to success. This way, you have your top of the mountain, which is your main goal, and you also know the steps you need to take to climb this mountain. Now, take a breath, step away from the screen, and make the most of today. Your future self will thank you for it.